Yes everyone, so hello, hi, namaskaram my dear warriors. I hope you guys are doing really well. This is going to be a very special video for you guys, for all the aspirants who are giving your CA Inter Jan 25 examination, because we have come up with CA Inter costing, paper review and MCQ discussion for the first time ever in India. Immediately once the exam got over, we are coming up with the MCQ discussion as well as paper review. Why? So that we can ruin your next attempt. This is what you want, Nada. How many times I've told you, once your paper is over, it is over. Till every time you want something to distract yourself. You know that once your paper is over, it is done and dusted. Why are you doing this? Okay, so a very simple suggestion for you guys is, once your paper is over, go search for the nearest dustbin, throw your paper then and there. Trust me, the best thing you can do. Come back and sleep. Once your paper is over, it is over. Yes, humble request, please do not see your MCQ answers. Yes, in a crowd of 100, only one student will get positivity by comparing the answers. Now, firstly, we as faculties, even if we tell these are going to be the answer, not 100% assurance it is going to be true. Everyone would have just glanced and done. Secondly, all faculties, we are getting that bit of, marketing, telling that, okay, I told this answer, I predicted this right, I did that right. Why do you want to fall prey for that here? And understand, this is the institute's great psychological move. Previously, they were not giving you guys the MCQ paper. Why are they giving it to you? Because they know you will come back, you will discuss, you will waste time, you will not prepare for the next paper. That is the philosophy. Why do you intentionally go and fall prey to that here? Yes, remember two very simple things. Irrespective of how your paper went, it is done and dusted. Yes, next, our mind is not a monk mind, it is a monkey mind. Except what is needed, everything else it will keep wandering. Now, what is the most important thing in the world? Your paper is over. You have 1.5 days to prepare for auditing. You know how voluminous auditing is, how much revision is needed. Everything apart from that, your mind will wander because it doesn't want to get into that zone. Please do not permit that. One of the best things you can do is, yes, delete, yes, switch off your phone at least for the next 2 days. Do not see any review. How was the exam? Easy, difficult? Whatever questions I told came, whatever questions they told did not come. Do not get into that prey. Humble request for you guys. Go back home, sleep. And if you still have that feeling that, sir, my exam did not go the way I wanted, okay, allow yourself 5 minutes of complaint time. Crib, complaint. Tell the exam was bad, the institute has set very bad paper, faculty did not teach, what nonsense did I do in the examination. Tell each and everything. But once 5 minutes is over, take a deep breath, done. Costing is over. I have given my best, it is now out of my reach. And I have faith that I will score the bare minimum marks which is needed. Now, what is in my control? It is auditing as well as FMSM. 4 more days of focus needed, my dear students. And trust me, you will clear. Irrespective of how good your paper was, irrespective of how bad your paper was. Now, if you feel that your paper was very bad, that is just your notion. Whenever paper has been difficult, the evaluation has always been easy. You ask your seniors, whenever they felt that their paper was very bad, in that they would have passed. The next paper, because they would not have studied, they would have failed in that. So please do not fall prey to this. A very simple suggestion, once the paper is over, just throw the paper to the nearest dustbin. No disrespect, but that is in the best interest of you. Come back home, sleep. Switch off your phone, do not speak with your friends. Come back, sleep. Get a 3 hours of rest. Somewhere around 7:30, 8, get up fresh. If you want, go for a 15 minutes jog or a walk. Come back, take a cold water shower, have a glass of black coffee, have a light dinner, start with your preparation for auditing. Jan 25 is our attempt. We will rock it. All the very best.